Supplies that you need for today. I do not suggest markers on this though, really, because only for the top, because they'll go through. So everybody should turn to page 8. These are your color sticks. They're in the bottom drawer of your station. Here are the markers. Remember, if the marker doesn't work, throw it away and get it from the store. Colored pencils. I don't want you spending the time sharpening colored pencils though, so just find what you can use. We can run through this. There's your crayons. Primary colors: red, yellow, blue. If you don't remember, shame on you. Color equals hue. It's the same thing. Definition of color: what your eye sees reflected off an object. I have my color sticks out. This is what you'll need for the beginning part of it. Red, yellow, blue. Remember, sharing is caring. I'm not concerned with filling in the whole circle. I just want to go through this lesson. So Y is for the yellow, and B is for the blue. If you look at your color wheel, artist, you can go ahead and color that while you're waiting if you're sharing, or you can do it later. We'll do the rest of it later. But just color in this circle. I want you to notice when I made this sheet for you guys, I did all the circles are primary colors, all the squares are secondary colors. So go ahead and finish that on the color wheel if you have time. Next part is secondary colors. R equals red, so red on the circle, red on the square. Everybody say that. Then we have yellow on the circle, yellow on the square. Now you should see it blended together to create a new color, which is orange. Artists, you don't have to write the word on there. You can if you want to. So I've got red on the circle, red on the square. Now, while we're sharing and we're waiting, I will have sheets on your table that I've already showed you in the beginning that you can look at. Then we have blue on the circle, blue on the square. What color have I created? That's right. I have blended together to make purple. You can write that on there if you want to. You don't have to. Next thing is B for blue. Blue on the circle, blue on the square. Again, artists, I have not colored the whole thing in. You get to keep these packets and take them with you. We're just running through the lesson together. Y on the circle, yellow on the circle, yellow on the square. There you go. And now I have made green. So I'm writing in green. So now I've created these secondary colors. Tertiary colors and intermediate is the same thing. It's where you mix a secondary color with a primary color to create a new color. And artist, I made a mistake on this. If you look at my color wheel and you see, for example, the yellow and the orange, okay, yellow is a primary, orange is a secondary. And if you look, I should have mixed those two together, so I should have created yellow-orange. Once again, sorry, I already created the video and I'm just doing the voiceover. So don't do what I do, but fix it and make sure you create a tertiary color. Sorry. When we use our paint trays, our watercolors, I like for you to realize that I have them separated already for you in warm colors and cool colors. Cool colors are like the pool, trees, and the breeze. Warm colors are like the sun. Primary colors are red, yellow, blue. If you don't remember, shame on you. Secondary colors are purple, orange, and green. They add to the scene. Black and white are out of sight. I'm going to show you a quick way to color the color wheel. See how they have similar colors in them. There's green, yellow, yellow, and yellow-orange. So you color just a little bit so you know exactly where you're coloring. And then you'll actually be coloring a fourth of the color wheel. Think of like a pizza. And then I'm just coloring that in kind of quickly. Kind of hard to see with this glare from my Elmo. Sorry, artist. So you're going to fill that in and just do a fourth of the color wheel. Now I'll show you the shortcut, the next part that you'll do. See how there's orange in that part, orange in there, orange in the other section. You're going to color 3 areas again. And then you're going to blend your colors together and they'll overlap.